Oma Ndewo no. You're welcome to another time with Teacher Princess, where we always learn interesting things that are very simple for children to understand in Igbo. We're going to learn something very wonderful and interesting, but before we go to class, like this video, share, subscribe, do all those wonderful things that gives us that adrenaline rush. We want to always have you subscribing. I want to see you sharing, and I want to see you liking and engaging with the video. Now let's go to class. But pay attention. You have to pay attention because we have questions for you at the end of the lesson. Ngwan, ka anyị banye na class. Said earlier, these simple words that begin with the Igbo alphabet a in Igbo. We're going to learn all of them. Please say with me as I say, and I promise it's going to be as quick and as fast as possible. The first one we see here is something common in the home, broom, called Aziza. Again, Aziza, Aziza, broom, Aziza, broom. Ọzọ bụ gịnị? Akwụkwọ, book, akwụkwọ, book, akwụkwọ, book. So our book is called akwụkwọ. Next we have is azụ, fish, azụ, fish, azụ, fish. The next one is aha. Aha means name. Aha, name. Aha, name. Aha, name. Ọzọ dị ka ibia bụ gịnị? Akpa, bag, akpa, bag, akpa, bag. So our bag is called akpa. Next we have is aqua, eggs, aqua, eggs, aqua, eggs. So eggs are called aqua. Now let's look at this one. Say with me, ghee akwa ahụ. Fry the egg. That's what it means. Now, what does it mean to say fry the egg? In Igbo, we say ghee akwa ahụ. Again, ghee akwa ahụ. To ghee something is to fry. Then akwa is egg, as you know. Ghee akwa ahụ. Ga ghee akwa ahụ. Next is nyem akpa ahụ. Nyem, give me. Nyem akpa ahụ. Say it with me. Nyem akpa ahụ. Give me that bag. The next one is kedu aha gị? What is your name? Kedu aha gị? What is your name? You can say aha m bụ Jane, aha m bụ Ihuoma, aha m bụ Eze, whatever your name is. But let's go again. Kedu aha gị? Kedu aha gị? Good. Now say, achọrọ m ịta azụ. Again, achọrọ m ịta azụ. Again, achọrọ m ịta azụ. I want to eat fish. Now let's do this. Say, ana m agụ akwụkwọ. Ana m agụ akwụkwọ. I'm reading a book. Ana m agụ akwụkwọ. I am reading a book. Ana m agụ akwụkwọ. Weta azịza ahụ. Bring the broom. Weta azịza ahụ. Bring the broom. Again, weta azịza ahụ. Bring the broom. So we just try to use all those words that begin with the R sound that we just showed you to make a few sentences that you would understand and you practice on your own. Have you liked this video? Have you shared? Have you subscribed? We want you to please pause right now, like, share, and subscribe, and then you can come back to answer the questions from today's lesson. Now let's do this. Now it says, identify the correct name for these objects that begin with the R sound. All right, so you have the different names down below. Aziza, akwụkwọ, akpa, azụ, akwa, and aha. Tell us, which object is right for the particular names that are below. So which one is Aziza? Which one is Akwụkwọ? Which one is Akpa? Which one is Azụ? Which one is Akwa? And which one is Aha? Let us know. If you've gotten the answers, then you can now go over to the next page, or you can just continue listening and I'm going to go over to the next page and show you the answers. But if you're not sure, pause this video, try to get your answers right, and then play it and we'll see the answers. Now let's go to the answers. So we have that the book is what we call akwụkwọ, the eggs is what we call akwa, the broom is what we call aziza, the bag is akpa, and aha is name. Azu is fish. Did you get it right? Give yourself a round of applause. I celebrate you. Imego Ofuma. How was today's lesson? Hope you learned something new. Please make sure that you always practice these words and say them very often. Have you liked? Have you shared? Have you subscribed? Please do so before you leave this video today. See you in the next class. Kodi.